A guy wakes up in the morning, with a nasty dry cough. Knowing he has a very busy day of work ahead of him, he decides to take his cough medicine right away. Still half asleep, he fumbles through his medicine cabinet and picks up a box of laxatives instead. Not realizing his mistake, he takes the pills and rushes out of the door. At the end of the day, his wife asks if he coughed a lot at work. "I have been too scared to cough," he replies.